In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or disable indicator labels, values, and arguments on TradingView. If your chart feels cluttered with text and numbers, this quick cleanup will help you focus on price action and key signals without losing the underlying indicator itself. Start by opening TradingView and heading to a chart that already has one or more indicators applied. You'll want to make sure you can see the indicator plotted on the chart so you can adjust its display settings and context. When the chart is open, look for the indicator's name box. It typically sits at the top left of the indicator's area. So if you're adjusting a moving average, you'll find it along the price chart. And if it's an oscillator like RSI or MACD, you'll see it in the indicator pane below the price. If you have multiple indicators, pick the specific one you want to edit. Next, move your cursor over the indicator's name and click the small gear icon to open its settings. This is where each indicator exposes its customization options. The exact layout can vary by indicator, but you'll usually find what you need in either the Inputs tab or the Style tab. Inside Settings, look for options labeled Show Label on Chart, Show Values on Chart, and Show Arguments. Here's what they do. Show Label on Chart controls the name or tag for the indicator that appears on the chart. Show Values on Chart toggles the live numerical readings that can appear next to the label. Show Arguments typically refers to parameter details, like length or source, that display in the label. If your goal is a cleaner look, uncheck the boxes for any of these elements you don't want to see. You can turn off just one, or all of them, depending on how minimal you want your chart to be. Some indicators may not include all three options. That simply means those features aren't available for that specific script. Once you've made your selections, click OK to apply the changes. Your indicator will remain active and continue calculating as usual, but the labels, values, and arguments you disabled will no longer appear on the chart. If you ever want them back, just reopen Settings and recheck the boxes. That's all it takes to declutter your view and keep your focus on what matters most. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.